Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a separate track list in Cubase, and what that is basically, see this markers track at the top of the screen here? When we scroll you can see that it disappears, which isn't that useful at the moment because you want to be able to see them markers all of the time. So what I do is I click this little divide track list icon in the corner, you click that and that creates this separate list. And the benefits of that is it scrolls without moving them markers. So I'm only scrolling this bottom track list. You can even, if I just make that a bit bigger, you can even drag things into this so that then they stay there all the time. And what I like to do is keep this this little ruler at the top as well, which shows all of the time display, so I know how long the track is at all times. So yeah, that's just a little useful tip. If this video has helped in any way, then please click like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.